Good evening, friends. Today I am going to discuss this poem titled Love's Foolishness, a poem from Sangam literature, and it is a translation from Tamil, and the translation was done by renowned Professor Lenin P. Thangappa. First, before discussing about the poem, we shall read it. Title: Love's Foolishness. Chieftain of the shining mountains, where a tall white waterfall roars down the mountainside, making music like the drums of the skillful street players, heed my words. Falling in love is something to be condemned. Now, let's discuss chieftain of the mountains. Chieftain of the shining mountains. Chieftain, you all know the meaning for that word, and I have given chieftain, group leader. See, the mountain range is there, and the mountain which appears to be so big, so huge. So the reference is to that mountain which appears to be so tall, where a tall waterfall, there is a flow of waterfall from the tall mountain, and it falls down with a sound, roaring sound, roaring sound, roaring down the mountainside, and the roaring sound appears to be the music of drums played by skillful street players, making music like the drums of the skillful street players. And here the poet places a request: heed my words. Heed means listen to my words. What he is trying to say? He warns those who fall in love. Falling in love is something to be condemned. See, falling in love is not an action that which has to be praised, but instead it has to be hated or despised, because such a cruelty he sees in love affair. And we shall move on to the critique of the poem. I shall read. The poem titled Love's Foolishness describes about the foolishness of love. The poet compares the foolishness of men who fall in love with that of the waterfall that falls from the mountain. See, he compares. See what happens to the water that falls from that mountain? It shatters like that. Love will make one who had fallen in love with it to shatter in life. The mountain is the chieftain because it seems to be the highest among the range. The water from atop of the mountain seems to be in white color. It rumbles down the mountainside, making music like drums, drum beat. The sound produced by the fall of the water, as the poet imagines, is like the music of the drums played by the skillful drum players. See, it's so enchanting. The sound of the waterfall is so enchanting that he compares that waterfall, sound made by the waterfall, to that of the sound produced by the drum players who play skillfully the drum instrument. The fall of water is compared to the fall of men who fall from their social standard due to falling in love. See, this is something different, a different angle of looking into the affair of love. This attitude of men is something that should be strongly condemned in the sense despised, hated. So he gives a strong advice to men who fall in love with a woman, saying falling in love with women. He says, the poet says, don't fall in love with a woman, or even it is an advice. The poem is an advice to men. So we have to take it in that sense. So falling in love is not such a good thing. That's how the poem